Hello, my dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to this channel BIS. I'm an UPSC aspirant, and let's get started. So, this video is all about books in the room of an IAS aspirant. Which kind of books you would find in the room of an IAS aspirant? So, let's get started. So, as you can see, this is the book of Art and Culture by Nitin Singhania, and the second book is India's Struggle for Independence. This is the book, The Indian Constitution by P.M. Bakshi, in which he has described the articles of the Constitution, and this is the 17th edition. This is the Indian Political System book this is one of the graduation book, and this is the Current Affairs diary, in which I attach the indexes and various current affairs material I used to paste there. This is the History of Political Thought from Plato to Marx by Subrata Mukherjee. This is the second edition, and this is one of the bulkiest book I have. This is a small notebook. I used to write small topics here. So friends, this was one corner. Now we will move towards the another. So yeah, this is a book, Environment by Shankar IAS, and this book I had purchased from Flipkart, and I had also shown you in my earlier video the unboxing of this book. And this is a very good book for environment, so I have bought this. And now this is D.D. Basu, the Indian Constitution, and this is the I think 22nd edition, and this is a very good book if you want to have a deep analysis of the Indian Constitution. Now, this is the wonderful book I have in my treasure, IAS Pre-Journal Studies Paper 1, 24 years. It has chapter-wise solved question of preliminary examination from 1995 to 2018. And each and every topic is explained very precisely in lucid language. Answers are given that are almost true. Only one or two I found that were incorrect, but all others are good. And now, this is the most common book of every UPSC aspirant, Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant. And I have read it so many times, and now ये फट चुकी है और एकदम गंदी हो गई है, काफ़ी हाईलाइटेड भी है. So I think it is half UPSC. And now let's see which books I have on my Almira. So this is International Relation booklet by Vachiram. And now here is A Brief History of Modern India, Spectrum's publication. Then it is IAS Mains Journal Studies, chapter-wise solved question papers from 2018 to 1997 by Siddharth Mittal. It is a very good book for answer writing practice. All the 4 GS papers are included in it: GS paper 1, GS paper 2, GS paper 3 and GS paper 4. Now this is Modern India, a history textbook for class 12th, and these are some books and notes on my table. And these are the notes of an institution that I have kept on my Almira. And this one is one of my graduation books. And this is my favorite book I had shown you earlier in my videos, and this is 365 Panchatantra stories, which I use when I often get bored. So this is a very good book I had shown you earlier also. It is of 595 rupees, and have a very great stories, good stories, and very fascinating stories it have. So I love it a lot. Now at this side I have some motivational books. For example, this is How to Do What You Love for a Living by Nancy Anderson. This is one of the motivational books I have read, and this is a master career consultant, shows you how to work with passion. This is a very good book. This was gifted to me by my father when I was in 12th, and I have read it many times. So it is a very good book to clear your perceptions about your life. And now the next one is a book written by an IAS officer. आप भी IAS बन सकते हैं, by Mukesh Kumar IAS, and this is a very good book. It comprises strategy to crack prelims, UPSC and interview, and the most important thing about this book is that it is written in Hindi, so everybody can read it. This is the picture of the IAS, so you should buy this. It is only for 150 rupees. I'm showing you the index so that you can know whatever contents are there in, and the strategies are given, and even the topper stock are given in the form of Prerak Kahaniyan, in which the stories, motivational stories of those who have cracked UPSC in unfavorable circumstances are given in this book. This is a book on invaluable thoughts, great people, great ideas. I had bought in an exhibition, and after this is a book on general knowledge. Then I have Swami Vivekananda's biography. And in between I have many graduation books also. This is the book Ancient India, which I had shown you in my earlier videos. So this book on Ancient India is very good. The figures and lines are clear and there is no problem in reading. This is a photostat book that I bought from Mukherjee Nagar. So yeah, moving further, this is CSAT Civil Services Aptitude Test Paper 2 by Arihant Publications, and this is one book which I had bought for CSAT practice. Its price is, you can see, 815, that is printed price. I got it, I think, around some 550 rupees. There was a discount as the shopkeeper knew us, so that's why also I got it at this price. It's a very good book for the full CSAT preparation. That is the comprehension, basic numeracy, analytical ability, communication skills, data interpretations, English language, communication, and now this is my some collection of NCERTs. These are 4 to 5 NCERTs. So, and now this is the plus one NCERT for economics. I have not read it, but soon I will cover it. This is the Medieval India. This is a large book often used for preliminary examination. And yeah, this is the Manorama Yearbook 2020 Current Affairs book. it was for 300 rupees. It is a yearly book. It's also too bulky, so I have not read it fully. And now this is one of the motivational books, आप भी लीडर बन सकते हैं, by Dale Carnegie. And this is one of my favorite works I do. This is diaries in which I write my poetries or any random thought which comes to my mind. And now these are one of the motivational books I randomly used to read, and these give me a lot of motivation, relax to my mind, so I like it. This is a book on ancient India. So yeah, this was all books of an IAS aspirant, books in the room of an IAS aspirant. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching me.